Hi, it's Glenda, and today I'm just doing an unboxing. This is from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and I made an order of a few fragrances, but mostly what I needed was castor oil, and I also got some cream of tartar. I'm gonna be using this for bath bombs. And citric acid, also for bath bombs. Oh yes, and I also got some melt and pour. I usually don't use white, but I have a project idea for which I needed clear and white. And you know, they tell you, usually they tell you that for melt and pour to adhere, it's best to have the same brand. Like, it's difficult to make one brand glue to another one. And this is their premium extra clear soap, and it does look very transparent. I mean, for it to be this thick, let me see, this is about 1.5 inch thickness, and it does seem quite clear. I have been reading about this super transparent melt and pour you can make, but I'm a little bit scared of that process of having heat in the light water. But maybe one of these days I'll try. In the meantime, I'm gonna try that melt and pour. And these are 3 fragrances I bought. I'm gonna open them up and let you know what I think of them. Alright, this arrived in my house last night, so I'm hoping, or I hope that it's been enough. It's been about 18 hours now, so hopefully they're settled. This one is called Pistachio and Cardamom Cake Fragrance Oil. I like cardamom, and I've been having issues finding a fragrance that actually smells like cardamom without the vanilla being too strong. This one does have vanilla, so it does darken, but it was like on a clearance. I think they're getting rid of it, so maybe it's not that good. I don't know, we'll see. This reminds me of a fragrance that I smell from Lone Star, which is called, I think it's vanilla cardamom. And just like that fragrance, all I can smell right now is the vanilla, and I'm not getting any of the cardamom notes or pistachio. So hopefully it improves. So I'm glad I only got 4 fluid ounces and not the 8, because I was thinking about getting the 8 fluid ounce because it was a closeout special. But no, it's smelling more like vanilla. Once I tried it on soap, maybe it's different. And this is Energy Fragrance Oil. I got this one because it's supposed to be good for slow moving recipes, like fluid recipes, if you want to do swirls and different designs. But I'm afraid of it because I'm afraid it's going to be too fruity, and I usually don't like fruity fragrances. It's not bad. It smells like very citric, sweet citric, like mandarin, sort of like a orange candy. Not bad. And this one is Raw Sugar and Mint Fragrance Oil. And this one I got because it's also supposed to behave well, but more than that, it's supposed to be very clean. Like, some of the reviews says it smells more like an essential oil than a fragrance oil. I don't know if I agree with that yet. First, it smells very alcohol based. Now some of the mint is coming through, but I'm not gonna make an opinion on this one yet. It's not overly good or overly bad out of the bottle. I'll test it on soap, and hopefully by then it smells better. I'm not too crazy about it right now. Anyway, that's it. See you next time. Bye.